Do you know that you can work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible? Now, we have 50 is equals to 165 plus x divided by 15. So, the key answer here is to find the value of x. And how do you find out the value of x? Before we find out the value of x, you can also write this maths problem this way. You can say 50 is equals to, then we take 165, add to x, then this divided by 15, we just put it over 15. So now we are remaining with 50 is equals to 165 plus x over 15. After we shall have reached this step, then we have to do away with 15. And how do you do away with 15? We just multiply both sides by 15. So all of these here we multiply by 15, then this other side, don't forget to multiply also this side by 15. So once we do that one, we shall have omitted the 15 that is down here. So how do we omit 15 that is down here? We simply take 15 goes into 15 once, 15 goes into 15 once. So from there we have 15 multiplied by 50, which is equals to 165 add to x. So from there we work out this operation, that is 15 multiplied by 50. So we shall have our answer here as 750. So 750 is equals to 165 add to x. Once we've reached at this stage, now it is simple for us to do away with x. And how do we do away with x, or how does x remains on its own? So we shall have to bring this 165 to this other side. So that means that here now we shall have 750, because this 165 is a positive number. When it crosses this cos sign, it shall be a negative, so it will be negative 165. That one is equals to, here now we shall remain with x alone. So after we've reached at this point, now it is easy for us to work it out. So we shall just take 750 subtract from 165, and then now we shall have 585 here is equals to x. So now our final answer, thereby we shall say now x is equals to 585. And I know that you've got your answer as 585. So if you really liked this video, please remember to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.